afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Shruti Gaur, here today to tell you something about the entrepreneurial compass from job seekers to job creators. Entrepreneur, all of you as know, it's a very common word these days. It's initiated 20-25 years back in our country, but nowadays we can see from last 5 or 10 years or last from 2014, it came into existence with a drastically change. Entrepreneurship means the person, entrepreneurship is a process of in which a person, entrepreneur, used to start up his own business on his own risk with the money he is having with him or with taking a lot of risk with that for that purpose. We are having a number of entrepreneurs these days, as you can also study or we are hearing from here and there. Like we are having number of things that we are using in the entrepreneur terms, like your Ola, that you are using, the Uber you are using, the Zomato, Zapto application, number of digital platforms that they are owned by the entrepreneurs only. Now the question comes, how it is shifting from the job seeker to the job creator. Initially, 15 years back, if we will talk about the students, it was only the job, there was a sense of a trend of job seekers. Like the students, those who are passing their graduations or their post-graduations, they are willing to go for the search of a job. But now, from last 5-10 years, within 5-10 years, there is a shift from a job seeker to a job creator. That is the difference that we are seeing in this trend, that students or people want to set up or start up their own business with a very small amount of money, but having a lot of risk. These days, to become the entrepreneur is not that much risky even and not that much expensive also because of the digitalization world. We are here in these days, we are in the digital world, so it's now easy for a person to become a job creator. A job seeker, as you know, it means the person who seeks for the opportunities. Like after the completion of your course, you are looking for the job, or you are very much worried about what you will do after 2 years, right? Few of you will go to the corporate, and most of you this time wants to go to the set up their own business. Not only boys, even girls also having in their minds. They are discussing with me in the classrooms also that ma'am, how can we set up or start up or we can become a good entrepreneur in our life. A job creator and entrepreneur identifies a problem. Who can become the entrepreneur? The foremost thing, or the first basic feature to become an entrepreneur is only and only to know the need, the problem, identification that what's not there in the market, what's not available in the scenario, so that we can start up or set up our own business according to the always, that market always depends upon the needs and wants of the customers, right? So if we are seeing that there is any discrepancy, there is any gap that we can fill to creating our own business, that is the basic, you can say, requirement of a job creator. This shift is about from moving from the dependency to self-reliance person, right? Whenever if you are doing a job, you are always dependent upon someone or on the people with whom you are working with. Dependency is on the organization, dependency is on the system, dependency is on the circumstances also. But if you are a job creator, if you are having run your own business or start your own setup, then you will be a self-reliant person, and that is more important for any other person to become a self-reliant or successful in their life. Now, we have the steps to become a job creator. How can you become a you have to first change your mindset of it. Fine? You have not to work for others. You can start working for yourself. Next is identify a problem. You have to identify a problem. What is the current situation? What is the current scenario? What's not available in the market? What new I can do for the new generation? Right? Next is develop skills. It is again very important. For that, to become an entrepreneur, you should have number of skills. Like you should be a good communicator. It's very, very important. As I am always telling you in the classroom also, if you are able to, with your communication skills only, you can attract and influence the people. It is very important for all of us. Then learn business. Learn business means how to start. From where it will start. From where we can incur the resources like money, land, and other resources, manpower. Then start small. It's not always necessary that if you want to be an entrepreneur, you need a lot of money. As I told you in the beginning only, you can start with your small money or small resources also, right? Network is very important for any of the work, right? Especially for to become a businessman or an entrepreneur, right? If you are having a good connect with the society, with the people, it will be very easy to get the resources and to work very easily with the system, right? Next is adapt and grow. You should have the power of adaptability. It is again very, very important. Adaptability is like whatever is there in the market, whatever the situation is there, you should not move from there. You should have the courage of adapt those new things, new technologies. Like we can take again the example of a new technology only. These days, all of you are born in the, it's very advancement for you that all of you born in a digitalized world, right? You know each and everything. Now, if you want anything, you want to get it from the market, you can just go on the digital platforms are there. You just click on that and you can get the orders within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Either it's for eating, either you want to go from one place to another with the usage of Ola cabs, right? Then Zapto, you can get everything, basic needs and whatever you want. There are a number of examples. The most common example is that we are using from last more than 10 years, that is the Paytm. It is, do you know the entrepreneur of Paytm? Mr. Vijay Sharma, right? He was the one who has given us the usage of money in digitalized form, right? So these all people, those I told you, whether Ola, Zapto, Airbnb, all these are the set up their business with a very low cost of money. This time in India, we are having more than 1.5 entrepreneurial startups, right? Next is importance of becoming a job creator. What will be its importance if you will set up or start up your own business or you want to be an entrepreneur? The first one is it reduces the unemployment. As we know that in our country, unemployment is one of the very common problem, right? So we can reduce this by setting up our own business. We can generate the employment to others also. Then boost economic growth. Obviously, if you will start making something at your place, made in India, all of you know, right? So there is no need to take the things from other places and our economy will boost up. Next is encourages innovation. It encourages always. As I told you that entrepreneur becomes first, the first thing is to change the mindset and problem identification. And problem identification from where it begins, from the encouraging the innovation, coming with the new ideas, right? And then it promotes self-reliance and independence. You can become independent as well as self-reliant, focused on you. Then we have the personal compass of, this is a new thing for all of you, personal compass for how these things are changing from here to there, from the getting the jobs to job seeker to job creator. Now, the job creator take into consideration all these things. The names are given here: north, south, west, and east. North is the purpose. Why? Why should I do this? Right? Then south is the connections with the people, with the clients with whom you are dealing and tackling with. Then execution of any of the things is more important as compared to the planning. Planning is very easy. We can plan here and there, everything. We have a number of plans in our minds, but the main thing is of execution and implementation. Then your vision. The vision should be very, very clear. Now we will discuss all these things in detail one by one. The first one is the North Compass. It is known as the entrepreneurship is known as the compass. Means we are taking into consideration all the pros and cons, why, when, where, and how. So these four sides, four directions, north, east, west, are giving the answers of those questions only. The why and the question. Why to shift from job seeker to job creator. The first one is north side. It is giving you the vision. Vision means the firm determination, clearly seeing what you want to do in future. It gives the answer of having a clear goal or dream. If you have a clear goal, what to do, what I will start with, with whom I will connect with, this will be your north vision side. Then entrepreneurs think long term and aim to create a value. It's not like if you are thinking that I will become an entrepreneur, it's only that you start doing the things without taking into consideration the ethical thought, without taking into consideration the humanity. No, you have to be very much clear. You should have to take into consideration the culture as well. You have to preserve that also with your business setup. Next is the south. It is denoted by skills and knowledge. As I told you that to become an entrepreneur, skills are very important. The skills can be communication skills, your learning skills, right? Your adaptability skills, and the way you are doing the things. These skills and knowledge. Developing your technical skills, managerial skills is very important. You should, being an entrepreneur, you should have to be a good leadership qualities also, good managerial abilities also, right? How to direct, how to plan, where to execute, with whom we have to do this work, who will be with us, and communication is again very, very important. Continuous learning is essential, right? It's not like if, as you all know, that learning is a never-ending and a continuous process. Learning, if you know initially a small thing, later on with the practicals, with the experiences, you will get some new things also. So it's not only you stop at a place, just keep on learning. Learning is a continuous process. Next is opportunity recognition. That is showing the east side of compass of entrepreneurship. That is ability to identify gaps in the market. These gaps are known as your problem identification actually. Where is the need? What's the need? What I have to make? How I can just give the answer of what, right? What I have to deal with. Entrepreneurial process में which, who, with whom, or what I want to do. Which kind of business I will set according to the need of market and the customers as well. Observing the trends, you know what's the current trend in the scenario for any of the things, like in fashion, in technology, in food habits, in usage of any of the electronic gadgets, and so on. You have to keep an eye on the trends, that what is prevailing trends in the market. Because if you will not go according to the trends, you will be, that is known as old-fashioned. Nobody will rely on you. Nobody will want to take your product because it's already in the market. Next is West, the risk-taking and resilience. Entrepreneurs take always the risk-taking is there when if you want to become an entrepreneur. This will always be there. So they know that how to calculate the risk. This risk will be there, but how we can eliminate it to some extent. कैसे उसको lower down और कम कर सकते हैं. The next is essential mindset shift. How this shift is changing from job seeker to job creator. The first one is radical ownership. Radical ownership means believing in yourself. Be the owner of your own life. Here own life means be the owner of your own decisions. Yes. Whatever you want to do, you will be responsible for that because you are the entrepreneur. You will be have to be refrain those failures and again देखिए फिर से उठना है. It means that. Next is intentional action. The intentional action. It is not like whatever is coming in your way, you will do like that. There should be, because there is a clear vision. So the action that you will take to boom up your business, it will be always intentional. So समझ के ही